Guys, there's really only two ways this plays out, in my opinion. Either we capitulate and retail traders and even some bigger whales start selling off again, which all we need to do is get price action to go below this green zone here, and we start seeing that happen. We have liquidity down to the lower side now that states that we could easily come back down and take out $73,000 and $74,000. What I shared with you guys this morning is that we've got some crucial levels here that I'm not just saying this to scare you guys. This isn't clickbait. We're over that. If we break these levels on the charts that I show you guys for altcoins, it has ushered in 60 to 80% drops. I gave an estimation of 50% here just to be conservative because I knew you guys would probably freak out if I said 80 or you wouldn't think it's true. The charts actually show 60 to 80, but we'll just go 50 because I know everyone's already bearish at the moment and no one needs more FUD. But the charts state if we cannot hold support lines that are created on a couple charts right now that I'll show you, we're going down. This bull market may have actually ended a year earlier than we thought. Then the next upcoming market tops. Okay, there is a metric that we have been using that for the last 55 days straight, it has called the tops and the bottoms of cryptocurrency. So there is a light at the tunnel and a surprising bullish scenario that could play out. And as I promised you guys yesterday in the YouTube video, for those of you guys who signed up in the membership and you're watching the future forecast this morning, I'm going to give you guys those absolutely specific dates. I'm going to literally say you have this many days left to accumulate before specifically on this date and this date, we are expected to see the next move back up. And you're going to see the chart yourself because that chart has called the last 5 fractals of Bitcoin and XRP perfectly to the date. Perfectly to the date. Even the tweet that Trump posted out, that was able to be predicted, 48 days in advance. The last 55 days have had price action predicted almost to the specific date. When you see what's coming next, guys, you need to make a decision. Do you sell right now or do you hold? Okay? Then we're going to end, guys, with risk management. I'm telling you right now, I don't mean this to bash up, other YouTubers, so I'm not even going to mention names. The people that even I have learned from since 2016, they don't know what to tell their followers because the cycles are broken, guys. We are not seeing anything play out like it should. I made this post last night. Do you guys realize that what we are seeing in January, February, March, this is worse? This bull market year is worse than any bearish year we've been through since 2016 and 17. Look, guys, 17 is the bullish year. Do you guys know the bearish year is 2018? Do you guys know the bearish year is 2022? Do you realize that this bullish year is worse than the worst bearish years we've been through? This is why nobody on YouTube knows what the heck to say right now. And anybody just saying, oh, it's going up, I guarantee it's going up. They're just trying to keep you around and just put hope into you. What I'm trying to do this morning, like unshamefully, I am going to show you both scenarios that say you may want to get some money out. I already took $100,000 out of our portfolio and put it to the side. I felt like I was over leveraged and I wanted money on the sidelines. But if I don't see this market turn around by next week, I'm looking to take out another $100,000. Now the bulls will say, what the heck are you doing? You should just wait. But they're not looking at the data. What I'm trying to do for you guys here is forget hope for a second. Let's look biasly at what are the triggers that could push us into a literal bear market that people are choosing to not look at because it feels better to have hope. What if you watch all the gains that you've worked for so hard for 3 years? What if you just watch it go down the toilet because you were stuck on a hope and you didn't take the right risk management? Guys, what about the people up here who sold and actually saved themselves from losing hundreds of thousands of dollars? That's what I want to show you guys today is both perspectives. So there is massive bearish perspectives in the market if we break some levels. But I'm telling you guys, there is one chart, literally, I can't find anything more than one chart that it has been accurate for the last 55 days straight, that if it does what I think it's going to do, you may not want to sell anything, but it's only one chart out of many other bearish charts. So I want to show that to you guys today. All right, in the description, if you want to watch this, if you want access to all this, guys, and I'll show you that chart here, grab a subscription in the description. Okay, it is 25% off. We only charge $65 a month. We'll give you 25% off your first month. Watch the future forecast today, because if you guys are in the position, let me wrap it up here. If you're in the position where like, okay, I throw up the white flag, I don't know what the heck to do. We were supposed to be in a bull market, now we're in a bear market. What do you do next? You must reduce everything, deduce everything back to risk management. The only thing you can control, guys, is your risk management. If you're just sitting here thinking, I know it's going to go up, I know it's going to go up. Okay, that's fine. But those of you guys who have a lot of money in the market that actually care about the vast amount of money, there are plays here where you can sell and rebuy back in that create massive streams of wealth for you more than just holding and hoping that it goes back up. So I want to talk to you guys about those areas that if we break, you may want to look to sell some to actually buy the dip and then ride it up to make exponentially more money. That is what we need to talk about today, okay? I love you guys. Watch that future forecast in the description. I will give you both sides, and I'm going to end with a risk management plan. And then on Friday, we are coming out and I'm going to give you guys 5 risk management plans on Monday in the future forecast at tradeconfident.io. 5 risk management plans. I'm going to give you the PDF so you can look at this and you can decide what risk management plan you want to have going forward. And I'm also going to give you guys a little hint of how to beat the institutions at their own games, which I've been able to see since about 2016. When certain things happen, I'm going to tell you guys how to get out before something like this happens again. It was strategic when it came out, and I'm going to show you guys how to trade against the institutions by looking at where the gaps are and when they form. That's going to be on Friday. I love you guys. Watch that future forecast. I think it will give you clarity about next steps moving forward. That is unbiased and it's not one-sided. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the future forecast. Bye, guys.